fish. No! That means take another card.
I just picked up these 3 and I've got 2 cats in the van. Do we have any room, Lana?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood watch until 10 p.m. Eastern this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of central New Jersey and southern New Jersey, including the following areas in central New Jersey, eastern Monmouth and western Monmouth. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic coastal Cape May, Camden, Cape May, coastal Atlantic, coastal Ocean, Cumberland, Gloucester, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Salem, and southeastern Burlington. When? Through this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details. Portions of southern New Jersey saw anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain over the past 24-48 hours. Another 1 to 1.5 inches is expected, with locally higher amounts possible. Some small stream flooding has already been observed. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around, don't drown.
In my buds, I'll still see them all the time. Hey, Mr. Grouse, I was wondering...
What did you break? Was it a window? My new aluminum siding?
Oh, I didn't break anything.